and it's called Carnegie. And it started off from a project called Be the Sky with my dear friend, our dear friend, Philip Glass. And the song will come out as an album called Be the Sky in mid this year sometime. And Philip, wherever you are, thank you very much. This song, this project was supported by my dear friend Yindayin Coaching Tibet Fund and Vicky, so hopefully this particular song is coming out. And I want my dear friend Tenzin to speak about the song, because sometimes I'm not good at talking, I'm good at singing.
Circled by snow mountains, this sacred realm, the source of all kindness and happiness, the Bodhisattva of compassion, Tenzin Choegyal. May his reign endure till the end of existence. These are the words our children will be singing today. They are from Yindayin Coaching in Queens, and they'll be singing in Tibetan. And by the way, they have no idea, but this is their Carnegie Hall debut. Some people peak early in life. But as they sing, let us remember that this beautiful language and culture is under attack in its own homeland. Let us remember that Tibetan musicians, writers, and poets are routinely jailed because creativity is the enemy of tyranny. Let us remember that today, around 1 million Tibetan children are living in residential schools run by the Chinese state. And just like the North American residential schools that devastated native communities 100 years ago, this colonial institution is separating Tibetan children from their own families and cutting them off from their culture and language today. We cannot let this horror happen a second time. If you want to learn more, please visit tibetaction.net. Thank you.
Thank you.